Hey you guys, yeah, with it being a relatively quieter week, and it is that week before Thanksgiving, now's the perfect time to start preparing. Now, through the winter months, you'll hear us talk about 4 types of precipitation: snow, rain, freezing rain, and sleet. Now, it starts by the snow coming out of the cloud. It meets a cold layer of air, but what we see at the surface depends on what happens between that and by the time it gets here. So if that snow comes out and it meets a layer of warmer air, it's going to melt, it's going to become rain. Now, if that snow, there we go, melts in the warmer layer, it does have the potential to refreeze when it comes in contact with the surface, and that's freezing rain. Sleet happens when melting occurs in that warmer layer, but then it refreezes into some ice pellets in a colder layer slightly above the surface, and snow happens when it remains in that cold layer, doesn't come into contact with the warm air, and we see snow at the surface. Of course, one of those big hassles and dangers is black ice through these winter months. That's that thin layer we can't always see because it's the color of the road. So we all know as we prepare and we face a few of these different types of precipitation, we got to get our cars ready. So take a look here. I have the warm blanket, I have the jumper cables, I have the scraper, I have the largest flashlight I've ever seen thanks to our photog. But some other hacks that you could keep in mind, so simple: a windshield defrosting tool. So all you need is some rubbing alcohol, 2 parts, mix it with 1 part water, and then all you're going to do when it's frosting is spray it on the windshield. Now that'll remove the frost. If there's snow, manual labor there, you'll have to get that off. Another really easy trick: socks. No, not to warm your feet if you get stuck. Look at this. You actually just put it on your wiper, and then that way it blocks any ice from forming or snow, so when you get out in those elements, you're ready to go. And that's all I got for you right now. We'll keep you updated throughout the winter with more of those hacks. Stacia.